Good hit on that break. 5 ball goes in and
Refusing to be denied here, at least so far. The way they're playing, no lead is safe for Manila. Tandem here. Preparation for the forward. This will be clearly a slight draw.
there you
Boom.
go.
Ganda ng
Binata
batak.
ang
Look at
tira.
that. Parang kinamay, Doc Nicky.
In this tandem, yung dalawang medyo hindi nagbibigay ng numero for the Mavericks for the past few days, sila yung bumubuhay for their team tonight.
And I'm sure yung coaches nila have everything to do with that. Magpakita kayo ngayon kasi ngayon kayo kailangan. And guess what, Doc Nicky, lamang na ang Manila.